from pre-existing ones, which is the step in dormant tumors turning cancerous. Are you familiar with what I'm saying there? Did you know that your veins can literally make new veins to assist cancer cells?
Anti-angiogenesis.
So that's exactly what it's called. Say it again, Linda. That's a tough word to spit out.
Anti-angiogenesis.
Yes.
Yes, that's and many things assist in that process. What she means by that is stopping your blood vessels from literally making new blood supply to tumors. When your blood supply gets to the tumor, it assists. Cancer can't go without blood. Tumors draw the blood, new veins to it, and that's when you have the process of tumors turning into a cancerous cell. You're familiar with people's colonoscopies, and they go in and they look at polyps, and you know that term, and you know that you are supposed to realize that polyps are dangerous because they can turn cancerous. Blood supply. Pretty simple. So actually research has shown that 30% of cancer deaths could be prevented annually simply by optimizing vitamin D. That's how important research on vitamin D has become.
What was that percentage again?
30% of cancerous deaths annually could be reduced simply by optimum levels of vitamin D.
Wow.
Now, all of your labs that do your tests are going to have different optimal levels. I wouldn't relate that to reality, because reality is actually talk to your doctor if you're seeing one, and go online and see what actual optimal levels are, which I went and checked out different labs versus what the science today says, and the lab that I had been using, I switched just this last blood test, was really ridiculous. It was seeing numbers like 30 and 40 as optimal, and those are really insufficient. They're getting to realize that you need more than they thought, and they also have started to realize if you do have cancer and you're in treatment for cancer, you should be upping your vitamin D and testing your blood for vitamin D on a regular basis, and it should be up in the 70s, which is higher than optimal, but that's where it needs to be if you're fighting cancer. That's kind of new information.